Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. Now this one is a hummingbird. It looks like it could be a keychain possibly. Now I've added some mica powder, and this one is a Chameleon one, to some epoxy resin, and all I'm going to do is fill up this mold and we'll wait for it to cure and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'll let that sit for a little while. I will then grab my little heat tool and pop any bubbles, and I will let that cure for 24 to 48 hours, and I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, it has been 24 hours, time to unmold this little hummingbird. Wow, look at the detail in that. Isn't that pretty? So nice. Well, if you're looking for a hummingbird mold, give this one a go, guys. And catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.